In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to change your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Make sure you stick around and watch this video until the end, and let's get this started. From your Snapchat application, simply tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of the screen and tap on the settings option on the top right. After you do that, you can see an option of Bitmoji right here. If you tap on it, now you'll have a few settings, such as choose a selfie, edit my Bitmoji, or change my outfit. Select the one based upon what you want to do. So if you tap on edit my Bitmoji, it gives you all the sections where you can now add in facial structure, hair, and other stuff. You can also add in accessories to your face and other stuff. You can make any changes, and after you made the changes, you can tap on save on the top right. After that is done, you can also tap on choose a selfie, and it's going to give you different types of options that you can add to your Bitmoji. Choose the one that you want and tap on done. And there you go. That's how exactly you can change your Bitmoji. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more videos similar to this.